Hello. Have you ever wondered how secure your digital life truly is in this world of constant cyber threats? Let's delve into the present state of internet security. In this era where our lives are increasingly digital, the threats we face have evolved too. Cyber attacks, once a threat to only large corporations and governments, now loom over everyone. They threaten not just our personal data, but our economies and national security. The internet as we know it is built on traditional networks. These networks, while they have served us well, are riddled with vulnerabilities. And hackers exploit these vulnerabilities, causing billions in damages. But what if there was a way to make our internet not just more secure, but virtually unbreakable? A way to transform the very fabric of our digital world. The solution to these security threats lie in the realm of quantum physics. Welcome to the new reality, the quantum internet. A revolutionary concept that could redefine our digital world. But what exactly is a quantum internet? It is a new form of network that employs quantum physics to establish secure communication channels. Unlike traditional networks that transmit information in binary bits, a quantum network transmits data using quantum bits or qubits. This shift from bits to qubits is a game changer, as it allows for the creation of networks that are not just faster, but also more secure. Qubits are not like the regular computer bits that can only be 0 or 1. Qubits can be in a whole bunch of different states all at once because they're super tiny and they're just as big as the ones that can be. These qubits can be created in special devices called quantum computers or processors. Now here comes the really mind-blowing part: quantum entanglement. When two qubits become entangled, they become linked in a special way. This means that whatever happens to one qubit instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. These qubits can be sent across a network of different quantum devices, even if they're far apart. It's like having a pair of synchronized dancers who always move in perfect harmony, even if they're on opposite sides of the world. Instead of using regular communication channels, they use something called a quantum channel to send these qubits around. This means they take advantage of the way tiny particles behave at their smallest level. So what can we do with the quantum internet? Well, for starters, it can solve complex problems at a performance level that is unprecedented. Imagine a super team of quantum devices working together through the quantum internet. Together, they have the power to tackle problems that even the mightiest supercomputers would struggle with. From cracking complex number puzzles to tackling intricate logistics calculations, the quantum internet can handle it all. It can also supercharge data transfers and enable groundbreaking experiments in fields like aerospace, materials discovery, and life sciences. With the quantum internet, we have an unstoppable force of problem solvers at our disposal. There is this super cool process called quantum key distribution, also known as QKD, where two parties can share a secret cryptographic key over the quantum network without anyone snooping in. It's like having an unbreakable lock for your information, making sure it stays safe and secure. The quantum internet is here to save the day when it comes to protecting our secrets. Finally, data teleportation. Another fascinating application is quantum teleportation. No, we're not talking about Ant-Man quantum mania teleportation of people, but rather the transfer of quantum information between qubits. Here's how it works. We entangle two qubits, which means they become deeply connected. Then, by teleporting the information communication from one qubit to another, we achieve something truly amazing: instantaneous communication. This instantaneous communication over vast distances is what makes quantum internet potentially unbreakable. An eavesdropper trying to intercept a quantum communication would inevitably disrupt the entangled particles, alerting the communicators to the intrusion immediately. It's like sending a message faster than the speed of light, breaking all the rules of traditional communication. The quantum internet opens up a whole new world of possibilities where information can travel in an instant, defying the constraints of time and distance. The importance of a quantum internet is paramount. Traditional networks are becoming more vulnerable to cyber attacks, threatening not just individual users but entire economies and nations. A quantum internet could provide an answer to these threats, offering a level of security that traditional networks simply cannot match. And it's not just about security. A quantum internet also promises to revolutionize computing power, paving the way for advancements in fields ranging from artificial intelligence to medicine and beyond. The Department of Defense ecosystem could be one of the biggest beneficiaries of the quantum internet's performance and security. With its potential to create an unbreakable communications network, the quantum internet could provide the defense sector with a level of security and reliability that is currently unattainable. Imagine a world where sensitive information is not just protected, but truly secure. That's the promise of a quantum internet. We, at Secured Quantum Services, are at the forefront of turning this quantum concept into a tangible reality. We are pioneering the way and making strides in commercializing quantum science, taking what was once the stuff of science fiction and transforming it into the technology of today. SQS is not just riding the wave of quantum technology, we are creating it. SQS is building the first ever quantum internet using technology that exists right now. This is not a dream of what could be, but a vision of what is becoming reality. We are on a mission to revolutionize the way the world communicates and interacts, accelerating the security and economies of nations, enabling a bold vision for a better tomorrow. But what does this mean for you and me? It means a future where our personal information is safer than ever before, a future where cyber attacks are a thing of the past, a future where the internet is not a battleground but a secure platform for innovation and growth. Imagine a future where economies and nations are secured, not by walls or weapons, but by unbreakable quantum encryption. The reality and threats of today's world demand quantum performance today. We are not waiting for the future. We are building it, one quantum leap at a time.